Welcome back, my gardening friends. Well, I just want to have a look at the onion head seeds that we've got. These are the Peter Glazebrook. I have managed to find a few seeds, but basically I don't want to lose any. The onion sprouts its seed head up, and then the seeds form within the flowers, and they're kept dry. The seeds are very small. See, I've even dropped one on top there, but they're just a little black seed. You won't be able to tell the difference between the seeds, so these nets have been really useful. Remember the variegated onion? We've got that gone to seed, and I think I found a few seeds in this one, so that will be useful to see whether the actual seeds will produce a variegated onion, not just a one-off. Here we have the banana shallot, red long Florence. So basically I got the shallot, picked I think 4 or 6 of the best, and then I actually put them in the ground about November time, and the following year they went to seed. So we got quite a few in here, and you can probably see some of the black in there, but the one that's done really well is the Zebrune. So we'll empty this one out. Got a seed there, don't know what's that from, so we'll just tap that off. That's these Zabrune and the banana red Florence I had off Alan from the Dawn Chorus plot. I have been giving them a good shake about. Let's get these out and see if we can separate the seeds from this chaff without them falling absolutely everywhere. I don't want an awful lot of seeds. Some of those seeds have got caught in the lip of the bag, but they're just, I'm hoping you can see that. Let's pop these back into the bag as we do it. But there's been so many. Don't have to be too fussy really, not with how many are here. But it's a great way of saving your own seed. Let's just get rid of some of the chaff. I think you can see there the amount of seed I've got, and I'm not going to be overly fussy. Could do with a sieve just big enough to get those out, but as long as I've got enough seed for myself, then I don't think I'll be it won't take much to get enough seed for what I want. But we'll just sweep them up like that. I'm sure when I plant them, obviously, as you know, soil, if they've got stones in, they always come to the top, so if we just give them a bit of a shake, we can get that all sorted. But that's going to be more than enough seed for me for quite a few years, and I can share those amongst my fellow plot holders. These are the Peter Glazebrook giant onions. There's a few left, but probably not quite ready, not coming out as easy. Some are not viable, but I've picked the fattest ones. There's enough for me to plant again. I've got about 20 odd seeds from the variegated onion. A lot of the seeds were flat, no body to them, so we haven't even bothered with those. We just want them nice and plump. So from left to right, we've got the variegated onion, the banana shallot Zebrune, the banana shallot long red Florence, and on the right Peter Glazebrook's giant onion. So I haven't done too bad for my first attempt at harvesting seeds from the flower heads. I've left all the bits in the bags just in case any fellow plot holders want a few seeds. I can let them have a few. These I shall be keeping. I won't be sending any seeds out, and I'll be looking forward to sowing those October, November time, or Boxing Day. We shall see. I'll do a trial to see if a test germination, shall we say. If you've got good ideas on how you harvest them and tools that you use, then please leave it in the comments. I'd appreciate that, and so will my other viewers. Happy gardening to you all. Till next time, my friends. Ta-ra for now.